In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fibonacci retracement in MetaTrader 5. We'll walk through everything you need to get Fibonacci retracement levels onto your chart so you can quickly spot potential support and resistance zones. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 and loading the chart you want to analyze. It helps to choose a clear trend and zoom in enough to see the recent swing high and swing low you plan to anchor to. You can change timeframes first if needed, so the move you're measuring is easy to see. Next, select the Fibonacci Retracement tool. Go to the top menu and choose Insert, then Objects, then Fibonacci, and click Fibonacci Retracement. If you already have the drawing toolbar visible, you can also click the Fibonacci Retracement icon there. Once selected, your cursor will change to show you're in drawing mode. Now draw the retracement on your chart. Click once at your first anchor point. In an uptrend, that's typically the swing low. In a downtrend, it's usually the swing high. Hold the mouse button and drag to the opposite extreme of the move, finishing at the swing high for an uptrend or the swing low for a downtrend. Release to place it. If you're unsure about the exact points, aim to anchor to the wicks of the candles that mark the extremes of the move, not just the bodies. After the lines appear, you can fine-tune the placement. You'll see small control points on the object. Drag the end points to line up precisely with your chosen high and low, or drag the middle to reposition the entire retracement without changing its size. A small adjustment here can make the levels much more reliable. To customize the levels and appearance, right-click on the Fibonacci lines and select Fibo Properties. In the Levels tab, you can add or remove common percentages such as 23.6, 38.2, 50, 61.8, and 100. Make sure 0 and 100 are present, since they define your anchors. You can also change the color, thickness, and style of the lines so they're easy to see on your chart. If you like to label levels with both the percentage and price, edit the description format so it displays what you need. If you want the lines to extend automatically, go to the Parameters tab and enable the ray options to project the retracement to the right or left. This is useful when you want the levels to remain visible as new bars print. That's it. Your Fibonacci retracement now marks key levels between your 2 points, helping you visualize areas where price may react. Use these levels as a guide within your broader trading plan and adjust them as the market structure evolves.